In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to copy and paste without formatting in Google Docs. If you've ever faced the frustration of unwanted fonts, colors, and text sizes after pasting from another document, this guide is for you. We'll cover a simple way to ensure that the text you paste into your Google Doc keeps the document's original style, making it look seamless and professional. First, open your preferred internet browser and search for Google Docs. If you're unsure how to find it, simply type Google Docs into your search engine and it should appear as one of the top results. Click on the link that takes you to the Google Docs homepage. If you haven't signed in yet, you'll need to log in using your Google account credentials. This step is crucial as it provides access to all your existing files and allows you to create new documents. Now that you're logged in, open the Google document where you want to paste your text. If it's a new document, click on the plus blank option to create one. Once you have your document ready, navigate to the text source that you want to copy. Highlight the portion of text by clicking and dragging your mouse over the desired section. You can then copy this text by pressing Ctrl+C on Windows or CMD+C on a Mac. Alternatively, right-click on the selected text and choose the Copy option. Next, return to your Google Doc and position your cursor at the spot where you wish to insert the text. You can click anywhere within the document to place your cursor in the right location. With your cursor set, you can paste the text without any formatting. There are two easy ways to do this. The first option is to right-click at the spot and select Paste Without Formatting from the context menu. This option might be listed slightly differently depending on your browser, but look for the wording that conveys this action. The second option is to go to the top menu bar, click on Edit, and select Paste Without Formatting from the drop-down list. This method of pasting will strip away any external styles like text size, font, or color, and the pasted text will automatically conform to the formatting of your document. This ensures your document has a consistent and clean look, free of any unexpected style changes. And there you have it. In just a few steps, you've learned how to import text into your Google Docs without bringing along any distracting formatting mechanics. Remember this trick anytime you need to streamline the appearance of your documents. Now go ahead and enjoy your more polished and professional-looking documents, hassle-free. Thanks for watching, and be sure to check out more of our tutorials for helpful tips like this one.